Welcome back to Keiko's practice room. Today we are going to practice the Etude, which is the 12th piece of the Suzuki Violin Book 1. Are you ready? Let's go! In order for you to have a better experience, please use headphones. Make sure you do not cover both of the ears. Instead, keep one of your ears uncovered so you can hear your own sound. Now let's start practicing. How did it go? Did you like the way you sounded? Then let's do it 3 more times just to make sure that you can do it perfectly every single time.
部屋
Okay, it's time for Keiko's little advice. This piece is the first piece that introduces C natural on the A string, which is directly next to the first finger, which is B. In the past, we have been practicing with C sharps. It seems like a subtle difference, but it's very important. So let's make sure that you can play the C natural nicely in tune. Personally, I find it a little bit difficult to use the low 2 when you're coming down from a higher note. In this piece, for example, you will see that in the second measure. Make sure that your second finger doesn't go with the third finger. That's bad, that's a C sharp. Ta-da! I hope you had fun practicing with me today. Please subscribe and join me in my practice room again in the future. Thank you very much. Bye! Are you ready to take your violin playing to the next level? If so, take lessons with me so you can express yourself through music a lot more freely. Please check out my website in the description section. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.